Hey, what's up? This is Em at RushOrderTees. I'm here with Dan, who you might remember as an intern.
Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm not an intern anymore, right?
You might have seen videos online where people are unboxing stuff and opening boxes. They get thousands, millions of views. I really don't know why.
People just love boxes.
They love opening boxes.
They love watching other people open boxes.
Right. So we decided to get in on this.
Oh, we're going to do an unboxing?
That would be the idea, but we're taking it to another level. So what better thing to find inside a box than...
I don't know, like a puppy?
Another box. Here at RushOrderTees, we have a brand new box design that we'd like to introduce. So here we are, we're unboxing our new box.
This is exciting.
You ready?
Oh, yeah. All right, let's see what's inside. Ooh, look at that.
Lift it up.
There it is.
There it is. A new box. So this box was designed by someone named Sandman.
The Sandman.
He's very mysterious. He's not even here that often. I think he's wanted by the CIA or something.
I heard he choked someone out at his last job.
I heard he chews on glass just for fun.
And he, fights crime at night
Wearing like a dark cape.
in a hoodie.
And he leaves a little origami behind like that cop in Blade Runner.
I heard...
Whoa. Why is that?
What is that?
Why is that?
You guys talking about me?
No. What? No. Not at all.
All right, I'm here with Chris Sandman.
How you doing, Em?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good. So tell me a little bit about your background. How did you get into design work?
Yeah, so the first laptop I stole had a lot of design software on it, so I kind of started playing around with it, and from there. Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about this box a little bit.
Sure.
How long did the process take from the start of the design to the finished product that we have here?
So from initial conception to actual delivery of the pallets of the new boxes, I would say approximately 5 to 6 months.
Okay.
There were multiple key stakeholders involved in the process. We had to go lots of rounds of revisions, variations on different concepts. Overall, about 5 months, 5 to 6 months.
So what are some of the things you need to consider when you're designing a box like this?
So again, it depends on the brand and the market you're in, but for this specific box, we wanted to convey the new brand in a clean, welcoming manner. So the juxtaposition of the bright blue and the pattern against the white creates good contrast. So with any good design principle is, good contrast, hierarchy, use of negative space appropriate. We wanted the brand to have curb appeal, the box to have curb appeal from far away, so when people are coming home or they see it on a truck, they're getting excited, they know it's RushOrderTees, so easily identifiable from a far distance.
Right.
And the pattern here, I would say, the pattern was one of the more difficult things that we had to do for this box. What we tried to do is, kind of speak to our core service offerings in the pattern as well as what the pattern means to our customers, the end customer. So, building team spirit, bringing people together, inspiring creativity, sparking joy, all those good things.
Did you really choke someone out at your last job?
Allegedly. And in my defense, as the court records reflected, Girl Scouts were not allowed to solicit on corporate property. So, whose fault is it anyway, right? Besides, I hate Thin Mints.
All right, there you have it. We took a look at our new box. We talked to Chris Sandman about designing the box.
Wait. Do we know what's inside of this box?
Oh, there was something in there.
Let's check it out.
All right. Okay.
All right, let's see what's in this one.
We're unboxing another box.
Double unboxing.
Whoa.
Whoa!
It's another box.
It's a smaller box.
Well, it kind of has to be. So it's a medium-sized box for holding medium-sized shirts. All right, I guess that's it.
Wait, don't you want to see what's in this box?
Oh, maybe there is something in this box. Oh,
Let's open it up.
let's open it up. Okay, let's open her up.
Ah, some tissue paper.
Some tissue paper. A lot of tissue paper.
Whoa!
Oh my god!
It's a
I told you
puppy.
there was a puppy in here.
Aww. Wait,
What's
you didn't know
that?
there was a puppy in
Hey
there.
guys, this is my dog.
Oh,
What the?
We have work to do. What are you doing in here? Let's go. Let's go design more stuff. Come on.
All right.
Sandman has a dog.